Hey everyone, welcome back to the YakChat channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule messages in just a few easy steps. Let's get started by opening the YakChat app and starting a new message. First, choose the contact you want to message, then type out your message. Now, instead of sending it right away, look just below your message and click the Schedule Message button in the action bar. A pop-up will appear. This is where you can set the exact date and time you want your message to be sent. Once you've selected both, click Continue to confirm. Need to make changes before it sends? No problem. Just click on the scheduled time shown above your message to edit the date or time. When you're ready, hit Send, and your message will be automatically sent at your selected time. Changed your mind? You can still delete a scheduled message. Simply hover over the message in your chat window, click Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. That's it! You've now learned how to schedule, edit, and delete messages in YakChat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more YakChat tips.